Hey guys, Logan here, and back with another unboxing. Second day in a row, so yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I'm very excited for this. And I am hoping that it will do great. So the product that I got is the New Balance 4040 V3 Turf shoe unboxing, and not unboxing, turf shoe, and it's size 11. So yeah, I'm really excited to open this up. And right off the bat, these look amazing. They're so fresh, super nice, and yeah, I can't wait to use them. So the first thing I see is they have really good traction on the bottom. It feels like it'll do really good on turf, and yeah, the toe is like all the 4040 V3. There's kind of like a triangle, and that looks nice. But this material feels like it could rip, but I don't think it will, because it has this protective layer right there. So yeah, I obviously got these in black and blue, and I think they look really good. The New Balance logo right here is blue with white outline, and here it's white with black outline, and then surrounded by some blue. So yeah, I'm super excited for these, and I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah.